Hey guys, welcome back to another week here on Mash Your Hair. This week I wanted to do a tutorial on one of the basic fundamentals in the hair world. This week I wanted to show you guys how to shampoo your hair. Every time I talk to my clients about shampooing their hair, I find that they overwash and that they're applying the products incorrectly. So I wanted to break it down and show you guys how to correctly and properly shampoo your hair. So a couple of things to know when shampooing your hair. What you first want to do before washing your hair is rinse your hair really well with lukewarm water to remove as much product buildup and natural oils as possible before applying shampoo. Since I only wash once a week, I give my hair 2 shampoos. Your first shampoo, take about a walnut-sized amount of shampoo, distribute it evenly into your hands, and apply on the top half of your head and work your way throughout. Creating subsections while shampooing your hair will allow for an even and clean distribution. Your first wash is not lathering. Dip your head back into the water, adding more water, taking it out, and re-lathering. Try to avoid using more shampoo. Sometimes shampoo just needs a little extra help in lathering and creating suds. I personally believe that the most you should be washing your hair is no more than every other day and at the least once a week. Your second shampoo, you're going to apply the same way. Take about a walnut size into your hands, distribute evenly, and this time start on the back of your head and work your way up. This ain't the same, they say love heals all, it makes it all alright, in time. After shampooing, you want to make sure you rinse really well to remove any remaining shampoo. You want to wring your hair out as much as possible to allow for optimal absorption. Depending on how much hair you have, anywhere from a dime to quarter size, you'll take that much conditioner or deep conditioning treatment into your hands, distribute evenly, and apply on the mid-shaft to ends only. You want to make sure you avoid the root area in general. Your roots are the healthiest part of your hair, so naturally they're a little bit more oily. The ends are the oldest part of your hair, and that's where they really need the most hydration. Allow for your conditioner to sit on at least 3 to 5 minutes. The longer the better. I usually let my conditioning treatment sit on, wash the rest of my body, do what I need to do, and then I'll rinse it out. When I rinse my deep conditioning treatment, I want to make sure to use cool water. This will close the cuticle and add shine and is really great for your hair health. Alright you guys, that was this week's video, how to shampoo your hair. Thank you guys so much for making it to another week here on Mash Your Hair. If you guys like this video, if it was helpful, subscribe, like, share with all your friends. Thank you guys so much for making it to another week here on Mash Your Hair, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!